Assalamu alaikum students. I am your science teacher of grade 1. Hope you all will be in good health. Let us start our day 2 lecture. Open your books, page number 4. Our topic is non-living things. Non-living things cannot move by themselves, breathe, grow, or have young ones. Means that non-living things cannot move, they cannot breathe, they cannot grow, and they have no young ones, they have no babies. They do not need food and water. For survival, they cannot need any food or water. Look at a few examples of non-living things in the picture given below. Why do you think they are non-living things? Look at first picture. It's a picture of water. Why it's non-living thing? Because it cannot move by themselves. It cannot breathe. It cannot grow. Second is picture of a block. This block is also a non-living thing. Why? Because it's also cannot move by themselves. It cannot breathe. It cannot grow. Third picture is chair. Chair cannot also move, cannot breathe, and cannot grow. Look at this eraser. It's also non-living thing. This lunch box, it's also non-living thing. These all are non-living things because they cannot move by themselves. They cannot breathe. They cannot grow. Students, look at this block. It's also a non-living thing. Why? Because it cannot breathe and it can also not grow. Look at this toy. It's a grapes made up of plastic, but it's also a non-living thing. Look at this pencil. It's also a non-living thing. Look at your book. Is it living thing or non-living thing? It's also a non-living thing. Now let's find out. Look around your classroom and identify one living and one non-living thing. In this you can look around you, you can find any one living and non-living thing. But due to current situation, you are not present in classroom. Where you sit, you just look around you and search where is any one living and any one non-living thing. Also find a bird or an insect outside your classroom. Where do you think it lives? What does it eat? How does it move? You can find out any bird. Such an example of a parrot. You can write parrot here. It's just an example. You can also write that where it lives, what does it eat, and how does it move. You can find these two things. It's a small task. You can do it practically at your home. Now open book page number 8. Let us do recall questions. Today we are going to do these two questions in our notebook. Question number 2 is, are non-living things alive? Third is a book a living thing? What will be your answer? Non-living thing alive? Is it yes or no? You can write the answers in your notebook. Is a book a living thing? You can write answer. Is it yes or no? Open your notebooks. First write day. Day is Wednesday. Write date 24th June 2020. Question number 2. Are non-living things alive? Answer is no. No, no. Question 3. Is a book a living thing? Answer is no. You can write it no. Students, do your work neat and clean. Thank you all. Have a nice day.